Okay, so today we have a Viper LTD Viper 10. So anyways, he wants to do a setup work to set it up to drop B. I did that, and there's also an issue with the tuners. The gearing wasn't great, so probably he's not getting the correct tuning. His intonation was off as well, so I suggested to change the tuners to a Gotoh locking tuners, which I already have on hand. So there's a process for that. Other than that, his bridge intonation was super off. So if you can see in the video later on, his bridge was a bit corroded. I offered to actually refile and regroove the bridge itself. Typically this would be a replacement part, but yeah, so I did that later on in the video. So enjoy. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Okay, if you need my help, you can contact me on WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.